The Toyota Land Cruiser 2025 comes with a bold and commanding presence, staying true to its heritage while adding modern sophistication. Its exterior design reflects strength, with a broad stance, sharp lines, and a refined yet rugged appeal. The signature grille is larger and more aggressive, complemented by sleek LED headlights that provide both style and functionality. Every angle emphasizes durability and elegance, making it equally at home on city streets and off-road trails. Inside, the cabin focuses on luxury, comfort, and advanced technology. Premium leather seats, ambient lighting, and a spacious layout ensure that every passenger experiences a first-class ride. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen with seamless smartphone integration, voice commands, and a premium sound system that turns every journey into an experience. Attention to detail can be seen in the stitching, wood trims, and high-quality finishes throughout the interior. Under the hood, the 2025 Land Cruiser continues to offer powerful performance with improved fuel efficiency and advanced driving dynamics. Engine options balance raw strength with modern efficiency, making it capable of towing, climbing, and navigating the most challenging terrains. The all-wheel drive system, adaptive suspension, and multiple terrain modes provide confidence whether driving through deserts, mountains, or urban roads. Safety remains a top priority with Toyota's latest suite of driver assist features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system work together to ensure maximum protection for drivers and passengers. Enhanced structural strength and advanced airbags further contribute to its reputation for reliability and security. The Land Cruiser 2025 is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of power, luxury, and endurance. It connects tradition with innovation, designed for those who seek adventure without compromising on comfort or prestige. Whether for long road trips, family journeys, or rugged exploration, it stands as a symbol of Toyota's commitment to quality and performance.